All right, folks, here we go. These are my loads. Pretty much what I'm going to be using for deer season this year. And that's Nosler 4570. These are 300 grain. I got them at 57 with H335. They're going 1941 with the calculators that I came across. I'm not sure how accurate they are. It's saying at the muzzle the energy is about 2,500 pounds, 2510. I'm just going to call it 2505 because it seems like they were all just slightly variant, just a little bit different each calculator. But got 2,500 pounds, and we're shooting at 1941 feet per second at 100 yards. And we're going to do an expansion test and kind of another test just to see if it's going to have enough gas to get into a deer. Which, I mean, it's 4570. That should not be an issue. All right, here we go. Roughly 100 yards. Just doing a penetration test. I was wanting to do something different today. Forgot the stuff at home. So here we go. These are with the 57 grain, the Noslers 4570. This should tell me pretty much everything's going to be good to go. Well, let's go take a look. We had a 1-inch board, passed through successfully, no issues. Then we hit the gallon jug. We had a bag of rice, which we slammed through. Another gallon jug, and another bag of rice, which we slammed through again. All right, we did not penetrate the third jug. We actually have case separation. All right, here we go. We got the Nosler 4570. These are my loads. These are using the H335s at 57 grain. Just seeing, we had case separation on that one. It did good. I mean, we popped the board. I was aiming probably right around there, hit low, wobbling a little, so I'm not worried. It's still hitting where I want it to hit for the most part. And went through the board, popped the water jug, popped the bag of rice, another water jug, another bag of rice, and then after that, that's what we got. But what I'm thinking, I threw the that last bag of rice, I just threw it on the trash pile. I didn't even think about going through that bag of rice to see if the lead slug was in there. So I'm pretty sure the lead slug was in there, and I threw it away. But as you'll see, that still looks pretty gnarly right there. That's gonna be a go-getter. On the penetration, I'm rock solid. This is an inch board. Won't have any issues getting into the lungs and heart and doing the damage. And I don't think this bullet's going to do much damage as far as an exit wound, which is what I'm looking for right there. Because sometimes you just don't get that perfect lined up shot where you're going to go through the shoulders or whatever and take a chance of destroying some meat. So there you go. If you're curious, 6'3", 7'2" right there, just out of curiosity, out of 300 grains, 74.8, 75. There you go. And there you are. Not too bad. Like I said, this is definitely going to be my 4570 deer getter this year.